Today I prepared Kolkata style perfect Pani Puri with all masalas and puri. In this video, we will follow this video, then we will taste delicious Pani Puri at home only. Here I am taking kala chana or black chana. 1 cup I soaked overnight. Then I removed water. Then transfer to cooker. Then here I am using 4 medium sized potatoes, 1 cup of water to boil, and 3 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then close the cooker. Then leave the cooker to 4 to 5 whistles. Then semolino 1 cup, maida 2 tablespoons. Then I am using here hot water. First mix the flour, then add hot water and mix with a spoon. It will be hot. Then make stiff dough. Then rest it for 30 minutes. Now I am going to prepare Pani Puri masala. 3 to 4 cloves, 2 tablespoons of cumin and half teaspoon of pepper, 4 to 5 red chilli. Then roast well. It will come good aromatic. Then stove off, cool down. Then blend with coarsely. Then transfer to a container. Now add the pudina, ginger 1 inch, handful of pudina, 3 to 4 green chilies regarding spiciness, and lemon size soaked tamarind with water. Then grind it, then strain it. Now add 3 cups of water to this paste. And you add 1 teaspoon of jaggery, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, then 1 teaspoon roasted cumin chilli powder, then 1 small onion chopped and add it, then coriander, 1 big tablespoon of bundi. Then all the ingredients mix well. Then taste it. If any salt not enough, then add salt. Now knead the dough 1 or 2 minutes. Then make a ball, small balls, very little balls. Round shape it, then press slowly. Do not use strength. Then sprinkle some flour, 1 teaspoon of flour. Then mix all the balls. Then place a cloth, washed cloth or a new cloth. Then roll puri, small balls into puri. This is the smice, very thin puri. Then heat the oil, leave 1 by 1, press with spatula. It will batch wise add 5 to 6 only, otherwise it will burn. Then turn them. Once it's turned to crispy, then take from oil. Then next batch, same as like. Flame should be medium to high. If you are using kadai, big kadai, you can put more puris. All puris done. There is no failed puri. Crispy puri, all are crispy. You can listen the sound. Now cooker cool down, remove water, then remove green chilies. It will be good cooked. Now mash potatoes, little bit chana also. Then cut the boiled chili, add to potato and chana. Then add 1 or 2 chopped onions. Chopped coriander and half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black salt. Already I added salt. 1 teaspoon of cumin roasted powder. Then 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 ladle of pani. Then mix all the ingredients well. Now serving time. Hold the puri, then fill with the curry. Then add a little bit onion, chopped onion. Then dip into pani. Pani means water, masala water. Then taste it.